of all the places you could have, taken your talents, so to speak, what brought you into not just sustainability, but more specifically, this element of robotics and recycling sorting?
So there was a report that we were studying to kind of see what are the biggest problems that humanity is facing that we should try to help with. So background was unique in terms of this AI robotics exposure that we had, and we started sort of looking at problems to solve. And one that really hit home, quite literally, was was waste. And that report that I was mentioning was by the World Bank, which is called "What a Waste" 1.0 at that time, and it basically said that 98% of whatever we generate ends up in landfills, oceans, dumps, developing countries.
Mm-hmm.
And that was like a game changer, right? Like there was this outlook at that moment that Germany and America and Canada, we recycle. We know what we're doing. And
Right.
look at it sort of on a global stat, you're just like, we're not. We're just shipping it off to China at that time specifically. And then Philippines, India, Pakistan, all of these areas, we're basically tipping them off so that they would actually deal with it. And they don't deal with it because, its rules are much more relaxed in some ways over there, and they get pushed out. And then when they push it out into the rivers and the oceans, and it's like, we're pointing there and we're saying, look at what's happening. And so,
Yes.
so that really kind of was the turning point to us, is like the frustration that we had built in us after reading and looking at this real picture, is that we're blaming here that these are the countries that are doing it. The materials, when you kind of look at the investigative journalism that had been done, is like, well, this is a material that was generated clearly in North America or Europe. We don't even sell this here yet. And so that was a huge turning point for us to really say, okay, what's broken here?